Hi, I'm Mike Moe with the Graco Industrial Products Division Training Team. Today we're going to talk about positive displacement pumps. What you're looking at is the animation of an operating positive displacement pump. We're going to do a little bit of a component identification before we go and talk about the actual operation of this pump. What we're not seeing in this animation is at the very top end, there's a DC stepper motor that's driving the piston up and down the cylinder here in this animation. All right, we've also got a couple valves that we're looking at, a couple down here and a couple right up in here. Okay, what these valves are doing is they're opening and closing, allowing the material to flow as the piston is running up and down. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to stop the animation and then we'll take a little closer look at exactly what's going on. So right now, the piston has stopped. We've stalled the animation in the downward movement. All right, when I'm moving that piston through the cylinder in the downward movement, I'm creating a low pressure zone right above the piston. If I open this valve on the inlet side, it's going to draw material into the piston cylinder, loading the top side of the piston. On the bottom side of the piston, if I open the valve on the outlet side, now I'm going to positively displace the material beneath the piston out. Right here we have a pressure transducer. That pressure transducer is used for a couple of things. One is it's used to monitor the pressure on the outlet side, so we can use that for the electronic fluid regulation. And it's also used for self-diagnostics. All right, so that was the movement in the downstroke. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run it through, and then we'll bring it back up and we'll stop it here again, and let's look at the upstroke. So in the upstroke, once again, I'm creating that low pressure zone, and with the inlet valve open again, I'm still drawing material in and loading it on the bottom side. On the top side, if I open the other valve on the outlet side, now we're positively displacing fluid all the way through, out again through the pressure transducer on the outlet side. All right, so let's go ahead and start this animation up again with the knowledge of that piston moving up and then down. And if you watch how the valves are opening and closing, what you should begin to recognize is, even though this is new technology, it's actually the same technology that we use in the 4-ball pump.